But see consider the untrue sluggard, what works all day with no overseer. Israel,
Holy Emmanuel, Jah Rastafari, Vessel R7.
Israel, come wake up from slumber and consider the untrue sluggard, what works all day with no overseer. Again and they not living in summer. Say Israel, come wake up from slumber and consider the untrue sluggard, what works all day with no overseer.
Let me ask you
and me watch you
to come over
and me watch you
to my Patreon account over at patreon.com/VesselR7.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here on YouTube.
No white Jesus with no eyes blow. Yellow orange me kill me cattle me shadow me lows. Free Africa from tribal wars and road of hosts. Mr. Queen of England start toast. Yeah, and there's no sitting.
So give thanks, you know. I just had a little word sound sitting on the dock of the bay. Because some people might see things like this and you thinking of Captain Hook. You thinking of Henry Morgan. Like you see that pirate flag right there on that boat. Yeah, that's Henry Morgan. See that? But see me, I want to invoke the mind. I want to invoke the mind now to thinking of the ancient, what you call the Egyptian kings who had the 140-foot yacht buried in front of the pyramid down there in Africa. So we seen the hieroglyphics, and we seen that Africans were actually were using sailboats. It's in history on the walls in Egypt. So, just like Malcolm X says, my people have fallen and caught amnesia. You must have amnesia if you're only thinking white folks when you see these boats. Yeah, that's amnesia. That means you bumped your head. You should be thinking about how the Egyptians have on the hieroglyphics when they die, their bodies transition into a boat, and then the boat take them to heaven. That's how deep black people was in the boats. We were in Egypt, they was using boats taking niggas to heaven when they pass. So, let's get our mind and let's heal the concussion. Let's heal the concussion. And so that we can, I want to show you this reality here one time. You see this? I put this hole at the very bottom of the boat because of the water damage and water getting into the hull. I let this hole open so that any water that drains to the bottom of the boat will leak out. And this hole has been leaking for 3 months straight. And it's still leaking. But I think that that's because it rained and some water got in the top. And you see, I'm doing that there's still some more indentions. I'm still filling them up. Then I'm gonna sand it down and start applying the copper.
fault. Many issues unresolved. Haul don't come back till I call. Watch my hood dissolve, and what's the cause? Who killed my son? The crime went unsolved. As the door of time revolves, I evolve. One time for all this must get resolved. I'm just speaking in general.
But float your boat into that the most. Your boat gotta keep your hope. Pray to the Lord of hosts.
Gold in my mouth, yes it glow. In my flow, only in your name can I bow.
But float your boat into that the most. Your boat gotta keep your hope. Pray to the Lord of hosts.
Gold in my mouth, yes it glow. In my flow.
Kas inkwalaba egaru yahida.
Raise the ring, gold and green.
Kas inkwalaba egaru yahida. Started fiberglass in that damage. There. So I still gotta add some more fiberglass. As you can see, I've covered the exposed area with fiberglass. But I still got a mission.
Out the yacht, windows, went out the yacht, windows in the bag, I want more. Let me tell you a little about Duval. 904. Pull up on your drop top and two-door. I'm local, and you can ask my kinfolk. In Florida, you gon' find this type Negro. Florida, they know about me international. Sell the yacht to Montego. International. Hail Mary, this a free throw. International. In my mouth, sparkle big go. Florida, the land of the Seminoles. The government knows about the remote. You can ask my kinfolk. The loot, I get the loot. The roof, outer space, peel the roof. My grandma do the loot. I flew, peel the roof. My ancestors blew my root. The roots around the world. I flew, the loot. Leave the yacht, cash whip, droop the roof. The ice, peel the roof, cash whip, droop. The ice, I flew my root. My ancestors blew. My papa in the time of a gym. People hate born in the South. My army, they call them Negro. Born in the South. My papa World War II veteran is my hero. People hate him. No blood, no more. Close the door. My army, they call them Negro. In the time of Jim Crow. Put the money in the bag, I want more. Let me tell you a little about Duval. 904. Pull up on your drop top and two-door. I'm local, and you can ask my kinfolk. In Florida, you gon' find this type Negro. Florida, they know about me. International. Blue eye cracker, I'm so cold. Put a slave on a ship in each row. 904. No place for a nigga to be social. 904. It shot some money at over road call. In Florida, you gon' find this type Negro. 904. They know about me. International. Out the yacht, windows out the yacht, windows in a flamingo. Fluorescent flamingos on the Florida coast. My grandmama from Savannah talk with a lingo. Alligators spin the toilet bowl. Duval. Out the yacht, windows out the yacht, windows. Fluorescent flamingos on the Florida coast. In casino, Duval. Out the yacht, windows, Florida coast. Put the money in the bag, I want more. Let me tell you a little about Duval. 904. Pull up on your drop top and two-door. I'm local, and you can ask my kinfolk. In Florida, you gon' find this type Negro. Florida, they know about me. International. Sell the yacht to Montego. Hail Mary, this a free throw. In my mouth, sparkle wig go. Florida, the land of the Seminoles. The government knows the remote. Negro.
oracle of the Atlantic Ocean. Florida man, I'm an oracle. Abandoned at sea on the Atlantic. Foreigner, you a foreigner. Florida man, in the diaspora. Foreigner, Florida, no soldier. You a foreigner. Call the coroner, in the diaspora. Abandoned at sea on the Atlantic. You ain't from Florida, ops. That you fucking not op. You never stepped off a dock, ops. To a yacht, ops. In World War II, your papa never fought, ops. You ain't from Duval, that you fucking not ops. Florida man, in this hot mugging swamp. Florida man, need a van. Florida man, ain't tryna be broke, I be on a big boat. Snowbird, come down here and catch a heat stroke. You never seen a bubble shiny peel to the top. Most these niggas my op. You never stepped off a dock. Most these niggas my ops. In this hot mugging swamp. You ain't from Duval, that you fucking not. Niggas my ops. Cause you a foreigner, Florida. In the diaspora. You never fried no shrimp on a yacht. Cause you a foreigner. Peel the top, call the corner. Florida man, in this hot mugging swamp. Smoking your foreigner. Come sunshine, they call Florida. I'm smoking that hole of Melchizedek or Florida man. My papa from Georgia swamp. Florida sunshine, shine dark in my melanin. Shine in Duval, I was born on Japonica. My melanin. You from up north, you a foreigner. Babylon horrible. I'm an oracle. Niggas deplorable. Florida. On this side of the Atlantic Ocean. My melanin. Most these niggas my ops. Buffalo soldier in the diaspora. Abandoned at sea on the Atlantic. I'm an oracle. This dirty south. You know not. Most these niggas my ops. Please, Jehovah. Babylon horrible. With a Glock in the Cadillac. Let me put them bullets in the holster. In this hot mugging swamp. Dirty south. Don't let me put this gun in the holster. Most these niggas my ops. In this hot mugging swamp. Florida man. Abandoned at sea on the Atlantic. Ops. With the British, French, and Hispanic. Florida man. With the pagan, fanatic, and satanic. Ops. Where they kill black people. God damn it. Florida man. The fire's hot. Volcanic. I'm an oracle. Abandoned at sea on the Atlantic. Florida man. The pagan, fanatic, and satanic. This dirty south. Hip hop. In the Cadillac. With the Glock. Call the coroner. You a foreigner.
Yes, so give eyes is I. So I wanted to show this reality. So far I've already used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hulet sos arat amist. Resin. Let's see what it say on the resin bottle. It's called polyester resin. You see that 100% pure, it say. So this is what you use to get the hardener for the fiberglass, to make the fiberglass harden. So I've already used 5, just patching up these holes right down there, you see. That's 5 of those, can you imagine? And I still need another one, so that's gonna be a total of 6. And these are around $55 to $60 each. Can you imagine? So you just go and count that up right there for this. But this is a major job, you know. So I got a little bit left, so I'm gonna use this little bit to tighten up some little holes I see, and keep it moving and getting ready to put on that copper coat paint soon. I'm prepping it for the copper paint now. It's been a long journey, but I'm almost there. I just put some of this gel coat up here to get all the little spaces I missed. So I'm gonna let that dry. I already got the paint, the fiberglass, but like I said, I'm doing the process of elimination. So, because sometimes your eyes get boggled when you're looking at so many holes that you'll miss some. So if you just go through and get all of them, then you'll see the ones that you didn't get and get those eventually, like right there. I got a fiberglass there. So I'm out here, and can you imagine at night, you know, and I like to rub my hand down the side to where they're in the complete dark so I can feel if there's any indentions. So I walk along just like this, and I feel, because you see there's so much holes on this boat that it's hard to see all of them. So it's better, so this will make it easier for the optical illusion. You see? Yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm out here feeling for holes at night. And feeling for indentions, so I know where I should put my gel coat. I'm gonna have to buy another can of gel coat. That's my little washing machine right there. Got my soap, my washing machine. Got my clothes out there washing real quick. So that's what it is. The optical illusion. The optical illusion. I can't even count how many holes was on this boat. It's impossible. That alone would probably take an hour or two just to try to calculate all the holes on the boat.
Overdrive, boy, corral, and get me overdrive, on the clock, overtime, overdrive with mine. Like this, look, your name got took out the book. Look, 666, you got over two. Why these ball heads all up in my side, fuck what on fly, cause I'm the fire that I'm fried. Don't mind, what the looking at my empress butt, like can't see that you try to look. Why these ball heads all up in my side, what you cause I'm in my fire that I'm fried. Designing in my prime, even Babylon the crime, on Mount Zion climb. Don't disrespect my kind, on Mount Zion climb. All springs all up in my rhyme. Can't design in my prime, turban wrapped around my mind.
That's, I'm doing things within budget too. I don't have all the money to do this the way it should be done, which will take me to be on this boat yard another 4 months. But I don't got no money like that. So this is what you do when you gotta get it done and get it moving type of way. And then I got my dinghy over here I'm working on. I got a corner piece right here. And the corner need fiberglass because it got real soft on top. So gotta get that done before I leave this boat yard. Starting painting that part before I start to put on the bottom paint. So I painted up front a little. And so yeah, just getting it ready. I'm putting down my black stripe. I'm finishing my stucco. Gel coat up here.
Ashanti Bobo, singers play years of instruments. Baby long is mic every time I bring the mic. Never
almost that time.
On no chain gang.
It's almost that
Crackers staring at me with blue eyes so cold. You never glued up, real no white post before. Never fried chicken, ain't no too long. With my turban on and my teeth gold. Melchizedek, I ain't no trick hoe.
Working on the paint job.
Holy inhale, stem blow. I love Mary, she dark skin, and she has that afro. I was on the opposite, she has that afro. One in a daisy and I was, is here one in her.
Triple them tasking right now.
I was born the opposite hand. Check the location of Lady Home. The home at the man you want. In the Garden of Eden. I was born the opposite hand. Message to the careless Ethiopia.
So I got it all ready.
I advise that you don't fall down with Babylon. I was born the opposite hand. The rainbow gets refilled by the sun. You can't take spots off a level from an Ethiopian. Can't change his melanin. They speak against Jah with evil intent. I have nothing but hatred for them. Deliver me, oh Jah, in front the evil man who sharpen they tongue just like some serpent. They speak of Jah with the evil intent. Let them go down to the grave and rise again. Preserve me, oh Jah.
That paint job looking pretty smooth now. That paint job. The ancients of ways. So I'm using some special type of paint here. And so that paint, you know, is specialized for boats. So it gives the extra protection that a boat gonna need when you're dealing with salt water and very moisture environment. So yeah, that
Brimstone and light till I make your enemies your footstool. Praise him with a song. The Lord shall sing a rod from Mount Zion. For your Zion, your lovely daughters of Jerusalem. You still have the dew of your youth and maybe keepers of the vineyard. So overstand,
Your youth
of the vineyard. The Lord shall sing a rod from Mount Zion. So overstand.
Are you not like the Ethiopians of Israel?
A rod from Mount Zion.
Ethiopia was stripped for the hand, stripped for the hand,
From Mount Zion.
stripped for the hand. To the Most High, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Jacob.
Me come to worship the Lord with a new song. Upon the 10-string harp.
Early in morning,
I will fear and rejoice with trembling. Hear me song.
brimstone and lightning.
One day to the Lord equals 1,000. Praise him with a song. The song. Rightly they love you. Cause you're so dark and you're so lovely. Daughters of Jerusalem. My mother's sons were angry and made me keepers of the vineyard. So oversized, let the people tremble. He dwells between the cherubim, let the earth be moved. The Lord is great in Zion, exalt the Lord and worship at his footstool. Xavier's name is awesome. Moses and Aaron were some of the priests who knew his name. Early in the morning, serve the Lord with fear and rejoice with trembling. Hear me songs, brimstone and lightning at my right. The Lord equals 1,000. Praise him with the songs.
Till I make your enemies your footstool.
You're so dark and you're so lovely. Daughters of Jerusalem.
The Lord just in around, that shall come forth out of Zion.
So oversized.
Just in around, rightly they love you.
Cause you're so dark and you're so lovely. My mother's sons were angry and made me keepers of the vineyard. Let the people
you know me don't care what anybody into or whatever their world is. But on the R7, I want to put one Lion of Judah on the front. Mo Bambesa on the front. Artwork. I want y'all to check out that beginning start.
I know you're Ethiopian, crazy on pasta. You can take my tail, you can take part of a leopard. From this holy mountain, me rush up at the villa. Say my heart broken, then my life will
start down because people be putting all sorts of dragons and evil on their boat, but on this boat we dealing with the seventh, you know. So ain't gonna be no wickedness. And cause I not give thanks and praise full time. If you can't tell, give thanks, you know. If you can't tell, then I give thanks for that too. Yeah, so that I think that one right there. That line, Judah. Give thanks. They're gonna look something proper on there. So continuing about that. Continuing on the painting. Over here washing some clothes. Washing machine right there like that. Gotta wash the clothes. Like it's clothes on. Check it out. Tell me how that business. Now I tell you how he died. His days were 20 years shorter than David, his father, cause he was under the sway of women and worshipped idols. This Solomon's lamentation. Solomon wept, tears continually fell down his cheeks when he realized the ark had been taken to Ethiopia by Menelik. Solomon wept, tears continually fell down his cheeks when he realized the ark had been taken to Ethiopia by Menelik. He said, "What be unto us? One more is past, Lord." And the people who go out on the ships see the Lord. So if it's the Lord, they must be talking about the Lion of Judah. They should be there. They must be talking about you gonna go out there to see Amlak or Xavier or something. So put it down.
Behold, here's to my walls, like I boy, will be unto us. One war is past, but behold, here comes to my walls. The prophets rebuke us, but we will not hear. What's the point of having wealth without jolly fear? We love to hang out in the world more than we love prayer. Over God, we chose all of that, girl, look at here. We love laughing and we love fornicating more than we love getting on our knees and repenting. We love eating more than we love fasting. We love drinking more than we love sacrificing. We love receiving more than giving. And we love sleeping more than we love praising. We love dozing more than watching. When Solomon realized the ark was gone, he couldn't stop weeping. I walk a boy. Solomon wept, tears continually fell down his cheeks when he realized the ark had been taken to Ethiopia by Menelik. One woe is past, walk a boy. But behold, here's to my woe. Won't be unto us, we love to hear.
This side of the Atlantic, I'm an oracle of the Atlantic Ocean. Florida man, I'm an oracle. Abandoned at sea on the Atlantic. Foreigner, you a foreigner. Florida man, in the diaspora. Foreigner, Florida, no soldier. You a foreigner, caught a corner. In the diaspora. Abandoned at sea on the Atlantic. You ain't from Florida, ops. That you fucking not op. You never stepped off a dock, ops. To a yacht, ops. In World War II, your papa never fought, ops. You ain't from Duval, that you fucking not, ops. Florida man, in this hot mugging swamp. Florida man, need a van. Florida man, ain't tryna be broke, I be on a big boat. Snowbird, come down here and catch a heat stroke. You never seen a bubble shiny pill to the top. Most these niggas my ops. You never stepped off a dock. Most these niggas my ops. In this hot mugging swamp. You ain't from Duval, that you fucking not. Niggas my ops. Cause you a foreigner, Florida. In the diaspora. You never fried no shrimp on a yacht. Cause you a foreigner. Peeled the top, caught a corner. Florida man. In this hot mugging swamp. Smoking your foreigner. Come sunshine, they call Florida. I'm smoking that whole of Melchizedek or Florida man. My papa from Georgia, swamp, Florida sunshine, shine dark in my melanin, shine in Duval.